Hello guys, welcome to the channel for Mania. With God's grace, we do finally purchase the Galaxy S25 Ultra and this is the exclusive color. Can you guess the color? Yes, this is the jade green color of the Galaxy S25 Ultra in the 12GB RAM and the 512GB variant. So here we are getting two seals. So let me wrap. Okay, thank God. Okay, so unboxing the Galaxy. Okay. So this is the jade green color of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So this seems similar to the green color as you see on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I would say almost similar, but a bit of difference is there. And let's look at the side frame. Okay, the top, the left sides, and the bottom. Okay, so the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and look at the camera rings. So it looks like a third-party screen protector is installed also. So, and I'll show you a close-up of the color as well. Okay, side profiles. Yeah, this is very muted color, I would say. Not a fancy color. In previous S25 Ultra we had titanium orange at all, but this is really muted, but looks really stunning. To pick among the jet black and the jade green, I finally picked the jade green. So I think it's stunning. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Titanium jet black or this titanium jade green. So that's it today. Signing off. It's for Mania.